Hey, what's up friends? This video is gonna be really quick, but we're gonna answer the question, what should you wire, if anything, for your home security? Funny enough, this can be a pretty polarizing conversation because people are really opinionated about security, especially on the install side. But here's the bare bones of it. If your home's over 3,000 square feet, it's best if you wire for security. If it's under 3,000 square feet, you can get away with doing a wireless security system. At a minimum, you should hardwire the security keypad. If you're gonna have multiple keypads in the home, wire both of them. It just keeps it cleaner aesthetically. If you don't do that, they have to hide some kind of a transformer that powers the keypad near the keypad. A lot of times they'll drop it down the wall and then pop it out of an outlet, plug a big transformer on the outlet. So you see keypad on the wall and immediately underneath that keypad is a big transformer on the outlet. That's not bad, but it's very avoidable. So run wire to the keypad to power it, usually a 22.4. Then after that, if it's all wireless, it's fine. Now, if your home's over 3,000 square feet, what we find is that the wireless signals of home security systems just kind of fall down. They don't work. We went through training with Vivint about a year ago when we signed up to be a reseller for Vivint, and they talked about it in their course or in their training. They said, listen, when we go into a home and it's bigger than 3,000 square feet, that's when we start making recommendations to the client that they look for a different solution that can be hardwired or that's more conducive to a hardwired system. So even one of the big players in the industry, one of the top security companies out there, is saying, look, if you go over 3,000 square feet, it really should be hardwired. The thing that you have to understand is that for whatever reason, security wires just don't make it through construction. We've wired up hundreds and hundreds of homes for home security, and above everything else that we wire, Cat 6, fiber, shades, TVs, network, you name it, nothing gets damaged as much as home security wires, and I've never been able to figure out why. If you wire up your home, you should expect, let's say you wire up 10 doors, you should expect that 2 or 3 of those doors are damaged by the time you get to trim out, and that you're gonna have to use wireless sensors on those doors. It's okay, you still wanna wire because you take advantage of all the hardwired zones that you possibly can, and then use wireless where you need to. Because we know that there's a possibility that we're gonna need wireless sensors, it's a good idea to run some wires for wireless boosters or repeaters for the security system. You just run those wires to a couple of locations in the home. If it's a multi-level house, just put one on each level of the house. If it's a rambler, put one on each end of the home. Just needs to be in a closet, like a linen closet or a pantry, and that's gonna help you extend the range throughout the home for the security system. So again, wrapping this all up, if it's a home under 3,000 square feet, it's easy to go wireless, that's fine. If it's bigger than 3,000 square feet, you should go wired. Now, if you talk with dealers out there, dealer to dealer is gonna have a strong opinion. One dealer is gonna say, always hardwire. The next dealer is gonna say, never hardwire. I'm not real bent on it one way or the other. There's gonna be some quirks with each. Just stick to that rule of 3,000 feet. If you're over 3,000 feet, make sure you hardwire. If you're under 3,000 feet and you hardwire anyway, good for you, it's a bonus, and you're gonna be happy you ran the wire. So that's the bare minimum you need to know about wiring your home security system. Hopefully that's helpful. As always, we'd love it if you'd like, subscribe, and share this with your friends.